Hello guys, today we will explain you how can you see your Snapchat history. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Snapchat app. After it open, you will see your profile icon at the left top. Tap on this one. From here, tap on the setting icon which is at the right top. Now scroll it down and you will see the option on the second last number, my data. Tap on this one. Maybe before entering this, the Snapchat will ask about your username or your password. So no need to worry about this because I already put my username and password in my Snapchat app. So it's the Snapchat security and surely they will ask about your Snapchat username and also about your password. So remember your username and password and then enter this in my data, and then you will see all the option like I have in my Snapchat. So from here you can check all your history like your chat history, shopping, spotlight, sport history, everything. Now it's up to you what you want to see. Like for me, I will check my chat history. So I am going to turn off others without chat history. Now simply mark the option what you want to see on your Snapchat. But for me, I will prefer my chat history. After selecting, tap on the option next, which is at the right bottom. And here is my Gmail, which I entered in my Snapchat ID. And here is the date range. You can also select the date by tapping on it's the start date and this one is the end date. So I will change my start date like by tapping on this start date icon. So from here I will choose the last month. So after choosing the last month, I will tap on the option submit. So it will take a while and Snapchat will send a notification to your Gmail about my chat history. So now here, simply put your password. After writing the password, tap on the option continue. So now when my data will be available to download, the Snapchat will notify me on my specific Gmail which I entered in Snapchat. After waiting for a while, I received a notification from my Gmail. So let's open that notification. So here is the Team Snapchat notification. This says your file is ready to download. Simply tap on this click here. If the Snapchat will ask about your username or your password, then no need to worry, simply write your username and also your password. After writing the username and password, this interface will be appear. Then simply tap on see exports and tap on download, and you will tap on download. This file will be ready to download. Remember one thing, this is a zip file, so you need a extractor which can extract the zip file. I also have a one. The name of that app is Zarchivers. So I already downloaded this file. So let's export this one. So here is the same file. Simply tap on this one. So tap on the option Zarchiver. So here are the extract files. Tap on again HTML. So here is my chat history. So I will open one of these, like I'm opening the third one. Tap on open, choose an app, like I am choosing this one. So as you see, I receive all the image and videos from this friend. So by this way you can also check your Snapchat history, or by the same way you can check your all Snapchat history. Let us know if you face any kind of issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe our channel.